Hello again. Welcome back. Let's continue from the last lecture. I'm sharing my screen with you. Sharing. So you see now we have to work on the question number 5. I'm going to the the questions also after that. So here the question is asking you the most popular hour of the day to start rentals. So I would really take the start station and the count of the number of rentals is the most popular for me. So that's my definition of the answer for that. First thing you need to understand the question correctly. You don't understand the question, you will get the wrong answers. So now what I'll do here is go back to the pivot tables. Go click on anywhere, click on here, click on there. So you want to find out the most popular to start rentals. So I'm going to remove this one and then start station code. No, start date. You are finding out the most popular hour to start. So I'll put this here, most popular hour to start. So, and you can take, so the any of them to count here. For example, I remove this. So you want to count. So I can take the date and that will automatically become a count that we have seen it earlier. So, and here I don't need this here. I take out this here, keep a cursor there. Don't worry about this. So now what I'll do is look at the question again. Most popular hour of the day to start rental for different type of memberships, which mean that memberships, I'll keep it in the column. So that's split now, non-members and members. Now keep your cursor anywhere on the date, anywhere on the date. Right click on the group and select the hour. Okay. And then click OK. So now you got the hours here. Obviously, the most popular hour here is 8 a.m. You can see it. Okay. And the small ones, spikes are for the non-members. If you put them differently in different work, in different charts, then it will be, you will see very clearly. But here we had put them together. So whatever it is, but now you can actually sort the members first. Keep your cursor here. Sort from this is the count, right? It's already count, no problem. You don't need to change anything for the thing. Otherwise, you need to change it to count. Largest to smallest, which means that, so 2752 is 8 a.m. So the most popular for members is 8 a.m. This is for the members because I sorted the members. Okay. Even if you actually, oh, 8 a.m. is not here. I didn't take the right cut. So need to take the again. 8 a.m. is here. Oh, 8 a.m. is here. The top one is for the total, right? And it's not for the 8 a.m. the first top one. It is the sum. So now the 8 a.m. you have 2,752 rentals that happened at 8 a.m. So you put that here for members. Non-members, Go back again. Keep your cursor right here on the non-members and sort from the largest to smallest. It happened to be still 8 a.m. So keep your cursor here, take it. Still is 8 a.m. So the question number 5 is answered well. It's finished. So now move on to the question number 6. So create a pivot table with alerts while highlighting. And the station codes, you want to actually group them. And the day of the hours, also you want to group them. So I'll go back again. So I will remove everything if you wish to, or count the number of candidates, fine. So he's asking us to group. I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to remove these filters also here. Remove this here, move the values. Okay, anyway. So I removed this here. So you have the count only here for the number of dates or the number of hours. So the date is same. So I don't want to get this one hours, remove it. So now what I want to do is I want to group the station codes. I can even remove this here, I don't need it. So start station code, I get it here. Put it in the rows here, and I make them into groups, 3 groups. Right click, group, and then starting from 6401, and the next one is 6800, and the interval is 400. So that's what he gave us, 6401. If I do that, automatically puts everything below it is one group. This is another group, and the rest is another group. It will automatically do it for you. Click OK. I got all the 3 of them. So, but you need the name. You put the name in there. N1, N2, N3. So this is N1. This is N2. This is N3. You just put the names like that. So what you want to do is, once you do this here, right? So you can move this one to the columns if you wish to. I will move this one to columns. It'll show in a different angle like that, N1, N2, N3. You can even make them in the center if you wish to show it in the center. You can do it. So now what I'll do is, so you want to group again the hours. This is the start. So that means start date I take, I put it here in the rows. Now I'm going to group them. So right click, group. So I will, again, it's 8 a.m. to 16 is the work time. So space here, 08, 00, 00. I think even if you leave it, it's fine, but take out the hours there, right? So this is, even if you like that, AM is fine, but change this one to 1, 04, 00 PM, but take out the hours here. That's what we made a mistake last time. We forgot to take it out in the class, but now we're doing it. So you are making sure that you selected the thing properly. So we got the 3 ranges here. So that is first one is, so night shift, work time, after work. Night shift. Work time. After work. So these three things are put in here properly. We need the results, right? We want the results. You can take any one of them to actually count, right? Basically, you're counting the number of values that you wanted actually. So all that you need to do is take any of this, like and date counting is date automatically counts. So take the end date and put it here. Start date, end date really doesn't matter. So you get that. So you put all the answers in the center if you wish to. So all the answers, you would like to put them in the center as you please. Do it. So now I can put some conditional formatting. If anything greater than 1000, I will actually share it with the red conditional formatting. So anything greater than 1000. So greater than 1000 is going to be 1001 and so on. 1000. Okay. Light red. Greater than 1000 is light red. Okay. And less than 1001. Conditional formatting again. Less than 1001. Why 1001, sir? Because 1000 should be in this group. 1001 is not in this group. Less than, it's not less than or equal to. So change this one to green. And you got this. So you highlighted. Is a kind of an alert. You got the answer for this question also. Cut this one and paste it into your answer sheet. More than 1000 letters. Right. Control. I would say answer here. I think that's about the lab 2. So good luck to all of you. I think the last thing should not have been highlighted. Let me go and fix it because total will always be more than, so why do I have to select it? So if you want to remove all the rules here, for example, go to the conditional formatting again, clear all the rules, clear all the rules for the entire worksheet. So now I actually put back again, select all of this, only that, but not the down thing. Conditional formatting, highlight the cell rules greater than 1000 and 1000 is going to be right red. And conditional formatting again, less than 1001 and green. And that's it. So this way, the last line, I'm not really pointing because it's always be green. So greater than, so more likely greater than. So I won't say always, but more likely. So it doesn't make sense to highlight that. It's all up to you, how you look at. So that take this one, put this one instead of the previous one. Either way is fine too to me, and save it and submit. Good luck to all of you. The lab 2 is complete. Thank you.